YouTube, what's going on? It's Rick, and today I'm in Arizona. Beautiful view here. All right, guys, 1994 Coachman. Who wants this thing? Coachman E250. Needs a little TLC, but I'll tell you what, this thing, 89,000 original miles. 89,000 original miles. And the own-in generator only has 91 hours on it. To me, solid body, with a few cosmetic things that you take care of as you go. Van does start, however, it does not stay running. I had to spray it with ether. It started, and it needs a fuel pump. Sorry about that, I just hit the record button by accident. I tried to put in the ether, I tried to put in the fuel pump, but I couldn't. It requires more than one person, and I tried to do it by coming up here in one day, and it just didn't happen, guys. Got all the books here. I do have keys. Those are not the keys, by the way. I do have keys. This is the 1994 Econoline. And again, not the keys. A couple books here. Dometic books. Things like that. So I got the key. I'll show you the mileage here. You guys can see that 89, 391. Just getting broken in. All electronics work. As you can see there, the lights are on. The seats have a little bit of wear. Oh, there's one of my keys. Seats have a little bit of wear, but I mean, it's 20 years old. What are you gonna do? Same thing with the carpet. It's been sitting out here pretty much. So there's the interior. We'll go to the side and show you the interior. This is the interior. Audio box, vacuum cleaner. Door panels. Tried to wash the windows, but I didn't have any running water, so that didn't work. There is a small leak here by the window. It's coming from this window. As you can see there, it's a little bit wet. It rained here. This is the front area here. Curtains. Looks like they had a window here. This is not, well, I guess this one is a little wet too. So this window right here, they had this window right here is also leaking because it's open. All right, it's closed now. That shouldn't leak anymore. There's the stove, the sink, 91 hours on the generator, genset, Onin, Dometic, refrigerator, Wedgwood stove, folding bed right here. Check that thing out. It does have a toilet and back seating area. And yeah, it's pretty nice. Listen, you guys want this van. I have to go back to Florida, so you're going to be shipping it out of Arizona. And if you want it, I would highly suggest getting a shipping quote before you purchase it. Had a little blemish there on the, this is nothing, this is like a $10 part. I'll put it in the eBay listing. You can purchase that. The Onin generator. This thing is super nice. Check that thing out. And yeah, that's it, guys. Like I said, it starts up. You need to get a fuel pump in it. That's pretty much it. That's the 1994 Coachman Ford E250 van. Have a great day, guys. Give me a call, 954-394-6581. Take care. For documentation purposes, for everybody on eBay who was wondering if this van starts, I'll show you that it just needs a fuel pump. There you go. All right, guys, give me a call.